Lesson objectives. Lesson objectives. In this lesson, we are going to study what an operating system is, why Windows is important, history of Microsoft Windows, An operating system, OS, is system software that manages a computer's hardware and software resources. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer, allowing users to run applications, manage files, and interact with hardware devices. Without an operating system, a computer cannot function properly. The operating system controls the processor, memory, storage devices, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printers, and other hardware. It also provides a graphical user interface, GUI, that makes the computer easy to use. Examples: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS. What is Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows is a family of operating systems developed by Microsoft. It provides a graphical environment that allows users to interact with a computer using windows, icons, menus, and a pointer. Windows is the most widely used desktop operating system in the world. It is designed for home users, students, businesses, and organizations. Windows supports millions of software applications and hardware devices, making it one of the most versatile operating systems available. Key features: user-friendly interface, multitasking capabilities, broad hardware compatibility, built-in security features, networking support, accessibility tools. History of Microsoft Windows. The history of Microsoft Windows refers to the evolution of Microsoft's operating systems over the years, showing how Windows has improved in design, performance, security, and functionality. Microsoft introduced the first version of Windows in 1985. Since then, each new version has added features and improved the user experience. Timeline: Windows 1 in 1985. Windows 95 in 1995, Windows XP in 2001, Windows 7 in 2009, Windows 8 and 8.1 in 2012 and 2013, Windows 10 in 2015, Windows 11 in 2021. If you find out this kind of tutorials, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like buttons.